Hello there folks, and welcome along to a series of vlogs that we're going to be doing on the only driverless network in the UK, and that is the Docklands Light Railway. Now hopefully we're going to be doing all the stations today, not in one go. We're going to separate them into a series of vlogs as one just leaves. And then we'll be going from there. So the first lot, we're going to concentrate on sort of the newer stretch of the DLR, so to speak, which is going to be from Bank to Poplar and then taking in Tower Gateway as well. So let's enjoy the ride. So the first station is Bank. It has one platform for departures, one platform for arrivals. You can change here for the Circle, Northern, Waterloo and City line, and there's one more as well, Circle and Districts. Now this was opened in 1991 due to Tower Gateway being not very good, so to speak. So that is how Bank became a terminus on the DLR. And here comes our train now to take us to the next station. So this station here is Shadwell, operated by DLR under the London TfL under the DLR banner. It was opened in 1987. It was opened in 1987, 50 yards away from the original Shadwell railway station, which served the slow lines on the then London Tilbury and Southend Railway. And you can change here for London Overground services on the East London line from Dalston down to Crystal Palace and West Croydon.
DLR services operating between Poplar and Beckton, and DLR apologise for any inconvenience and disruption that's been caused to your journey this weekend. For more information, please see our TfL website, tfl.poplar.com.
So the next station is Limehouse, operated. This station opened in 1987, and it's opened on the former tracks of the. Oh, there's another. I keep missing the Tower Gateway trains here. Ridiculous. It opened on the former tracks of the London Blackwall Railway, which closed many years beforehand. And you can change here for C2C services from London Fenchurch Street into Shoeburyness, Southend and Grays. So the next station along is West Ferry. Now this station opened in 1987 as well. However, it takes its name West Ferry not from the place, because there is no place called West Ferry. It actually takes its name from a nearby road which is called West Ferry Road. And that's it really. Don't mind me just going back the way I came. I do like going backwards.
This is
Actually, I'll go the other side. The other side will be a lot better for me. I knew that, I was testing you. So this station is Tower Gateway. As a C2C unit goes past. 2 platforms. Now this is the original terminus of the Docklands Light Railway when it opened in 1987. To be replaced then by Bank when that opened in 1991, and is an interchange pseudo with Tower Hill for the District and Circle lines, and also London Fenchurch Street for the C2C London Tilbury and Southend Mainline, which runs right past Tower Gateway all the way down to Limehouse. MMC! Lovely. Right then, we've got 4 minutes, so I believe this goes to Poplar, where I want to go next. It says Beckton. Do the Beckton trains go to Poplar? Indeed they do. There is Poplar, and Beckton is all the way down there. So I want this train. DLR confuses me sometimes. It would be reminiscent if I didn't tell you about the rolling stock you're going to be seeing during the DLR series of vlogs that we're doing. Now there are 6 types that you will see throughout the whole journey, all still in service. So you've got the P86 stock, which is the cars 1 through 11. Then you've got the P89 stock, which is 12 to 21. Then the B90, sorry, not the P90, the B90, which is 22 to 44. B92, which is 49 to 91. The B2K stock. Now the B2K stock is 92 to 99, and then 01 to 16. Exactly. And then you've got the B07 stock, which is 101 to 155. In total, there are 149 cars still in service with the DLR. Quite impressive, really, if you think about it. Sometimes they'll be in 3 formations, sometimes 2 formations, depending on what they do. Should also point out here at Tower Gateway that it's actually a dual-sided interchange. So when you arrive into Tower Gateway, you disembark on the right and you enter on the left. So it sort of like keeps the flow going. $726.12. Do you really want to race us? We have a top speed of 50. I was about to say never mind, but now I can go ergo say screw it you. Smashing. And this station, the final station of this section, is Poplar. 4 platforms to this station. Now this is the 4th incarnation of Poplar Station, the first incarnation opening on the London and Blackwall Railway between 1840 and 1926. This is close to Blackwall DLR Station. Then you had Poplar East India Dock Road Station, which was in use between 1866 and 1944 on the North London Railway, which is now All Saints DLR Station. And the 3rd station named Poplar was constructed in 1851 but never opened. This was going to be opened east of the present DLR depot, which is just over there. Fantastic. And there you have it then, folks. That is the first section of the DLR all done and dusted. And we are going to go film the next one as one arrives anytime now. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already done so. Thank you as well to the channel members for the continued support on the channel. If you want to be a member just like everyone else, it's $3.99 for a membership, and you get all the vlogs into your inbox nice and early, as well as getting shouted out at the end of every video. So thank you all, hope you enjoyed. I should actually point out, you actually should light here for Billingsgate Market, which is just over there, and Canary Wharf, what's it called, Elizabeth Line station, which is pretty close. But anyway, thank you all. I'll see you next time.